Okay, so while we have learned a lot of separation techniques by now, filtration, decantation, chromatography, centrifugation, magnetizing, and crystallizing, correct? Okay, so I will ask the easiest one. Fahad, what is magnetizing?
Using a magnet to separate.
Obviously, it's an easy technique, correct? Okay, remember I talked about chromatography?
Morning, teacher.
Morning, Lamin. Chromatography. Straight away question from Lamin. What is chromatography?
I see.
Teacher, I just said good morning, and why did you ask me? Okay, chromatography.
Wait. Chromatography. Teacher, I didn't revise.
Okay, Fatima, any idea about chromatography?
Look through my book.
To separate different colors.
Exactly, put in different colors, okay? We put
Right,
a marker there and different colors are separated, correct? This is called chromatograph.
Yes.
Okay, this means that all of you just forgot.
No,
revision.
I remember because of the video you sent. Remember in the Google Classroom? The
Yes.
childish video.
The childish video. I remember. Okay, this one. Remember chromatography? We put a marker here on a paper and then we split like that and different colors. Remember? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Now here, have you noticed that sometimes on a crime scene, okay, the police will collect some liquid sample, okay, and then they will do a forensic test of it and they will find a culprit and easy to do the investigation, isn't it? The technique which they use there, that technique is also chromatography, but it is not a simple chromatography. The chromatography used there is called as gas chromatography. What is it called?
Yes.
Yes, chromatography.
Or GC, we just call it GC, gas chromatography, okay? Well, it is a complex topic, but for you guys, I will try to make it easy. Okay, so remember this chromatography technique, okay, it is used in different areas of your life, such as pharmaceutical companies, okay, they use to see that which chemical product is found in which medicine, okay, hospitals to detect blood alcohol levels in patient, law and enforcement over here, today I will talk here, to compare a sample found at crime scene, okay, to samples, will it be compared with a sample of suspect, okay, manufacturing plant and environmental agencies, these are the areas where we use this technique, okay? So this is one of an important technique which is used in important fields of life, okay? So crime scenes, we use chromatography, and here is the technique how to use it. Please, high attentions everyone. I will ask the questions once I finish. In chromatography, what will happen? Let's suppose, okay, Lamin went to Fahad's home and he just saw a Kit Kat chocolate. He was like, bro, I really want it. Okay. And Fahad was not there. So Lamin thought, okay, why don't I just take it and go? Okay. So yes, okay. So, and Lamin did the same thing.
No, I was wondering where's my Kit Kat.
Okay,
I was
good.
actually
It's with Lamin, okay? I told you now.
Lamin, I want it
Okay,
back, bro.
but the investigation is not so easy. So Fahad was like, no, I cannot spare my Kit Kat. I just buy it after selling my BMW and limousine and my whole home just for this Kit Kat. Okay. So what Fahad did? He just called the police and they came and they saw that here on the table of Fahad. Okay, this is Fahad's table. Okay, there was a fingerprint.
Ma'am, if that was my table, I would have sued the guy who made my table.
Okay, never mind. So there was some liquid spill there, okay, or a fingerprint or something. Okay, what did the police do? They collected that sample and they bring to forensic lab. Okay, do you know the word forensic?
Yeah.
Okay, it is related to crime. Okay, so forensic lab. And they said, okay, Fahad, it's not easy to catch the thief, so we will do GC, gas chromatography. Fahad was like, yes, please do it. I can sell my whole word for that cat. Okay, so here we go. The way gas chromatography work, what will happen that we will inject okay, the sample which we have collected. Okay, we will inject that sample here, and that sample will pass through a chamber which will change that liquid sample to gas. Is this thing clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
the sample which was collected from the crime scene, we injected it into a chamber here, into a chamber, and in this chamber, okay, this liquid was converted to gas. Let's suppose
Gas.
the liquid have two substances inside it. The one I'm drawing it with red, okay, and the other one I'm drawing with yellow here, okay, and both of them were in liquid. Now they have changed to gas. Okay, Asim, I want you to pay attention because I don't know whether your previous teachers have taught you this one. Okay, so here, what will happen next? Now, what will happen that this thing, okay, this these gases over here, they cannot move by themselves. So we need another gas for them to make them move. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we will place a tube here, okay, and this tube is connected to a gas chamber, okay, and this gas will help these two gases to move. Is this thing clear?
Yes.
So this is a gas chamber, a different gas, okay? Now what will happen that this chamber is then connected to a coil structure like this.
Okay.
Okay, make sense?
Yes.
Okay, and then this coil, okay, is then attached to a detector here, a detector. Okay, this detector, okay, will see that which gas will come and hit the detector first, okay, and then this detector is attached to a chromatogram, which will give us results in form of graph and peaks like that. Okay, and this thing, police will read and find the culprit. Is this thing clear? Please show me thumb up if this
Yes.
process is clear to you, all of you.
I don't understand from how all of this they understand which guy's the thief or whatever.
Okay, listen, what they will do, first of all, the liquid which they collected from your table, they will test that one. And then they will see
the samples of your classmates to compare.
okay.
You should have elaborated like this. I wouldn't have been confused.
I was coming to it. First, let me explain it, okay? But you asked earlier. Okay, is
Sure.
this thing clear? This process is clear? Okay, one more time. What did we do? We took a liquid from Fahad's table. Okay, we injected it. That liquid was converted to gas. I just suppose that that substance have two substances, so red and green. Oh, I mean red and yellow. Okay, and then this will move to this coil. Okay, this coil is attached to a detector, and this detector has to a chromatogram. Okay, is this thing clear? Now what will happen? Now I'm telling you, okay, now here in this area, okay, I will focus on this area just to explain you. I'm telling you it's a detailed topic, okay, but I'm making it simple. In this area, what will happen that when these two gases, they will come here, okay, these two gases, when they will come here, the red gas, let's suppose, will stick here, okay, and the yellow gas, it will move here like that. Okay, after a few moments you will see that, okay, the red gas gonna come here, okay, it will move, and the yellow gas will be going fast and it will hit the detector first. Okay, now once it hit the detector, okay, let's suppose that Lamin is addicted to coffee. Okay, he drinks coffee a lot. I'm just saying, okay, let's suppose these were coffee particles and they will hit and they will see a peak of coffee particles here. Okay, then what? Okay, so they got a result that coffee was there first. Okay, they will see, they will check all your classmates. Let's suppose they will call Ayan. Okay, they will see the fingerprints of Ayan and see if they are or they will test the tongue of Ayan, okay, to get the sample. Okay, is it clear, Fahad?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the process how it happens. Okay, once the coffee sample, okay, it get matched with a coffee sample of Lamin, or let's suppose Ayan, they find two people. Okay, then they have to do the investigation further. This is just one part of investigation. Remember, not the whole investigation depends on this. Okay, they will
Yes.
just exactly, they will just caught that person. This is called as gas chromatography. I couldn't find a good video on this because all the videos were with too much details, so I will not post a video. Just stick to the idea which your teacher taught you. Okay. Any questions so far? No? Yes?
No.
No? Yes, no. What's that? Please show me thumbs up if you don't have any questions.
I don't want to show a thumbs up.
Why? It's hard. So in reality,
No,
the
I'm
gas
just bored.
okay, gas chromatography, the machines and things look like this. Can you see? Over here, this is the machine where we inject things. This is a coil one, and this is the area where we get chromatogram.
Hey, your drawing was different. I thought it would be way more, lines and pipes and stuff.
Well,
This is
it
just
is. Okay,
machines.
let me show you the lines and pipes. Now you want to see that one too. Just give me a minute. Well, this is a cartoonic picture of it. In reality, the gas chromatography, okay. In reality, it looks like that. Okay, so see here, this is the whole machine, and see how she gonna inject it. Okay, see, so she injected the liquid sample here. Okay, this thing gonna change it into vapors, into gas, and this is a coil. Can you see the one which I was talking?
Yes.
Okay, and the results you will get here like that. Got it?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay, this was the simple way I could explain you. Well, in details, you will learn when you will go to your year 12. Okay, so far so good. Should I move on? I know it's a little boring, but you have to do it. Okay, so chromatography, an easy one, easier version with a marker and a pencil, and this one is the one with gas chromatography used in law enforcement areas. Okay, let's ask Lamin. Go ahead, and Aman, listen it carefully. I will come to you at last. Yes, Lamin.
And after that, you mean from beginning again?
Yes, quickly.
Oh my God. Okay, first we'll collect the sample, right? And then we'll inject it, right, with the liquid sample. And then that liquid sample will go into this. It will turn into gas, right?
Excellent.
It will
Yes.
It will go into this thin coil.
Yes.
What?
Yes. Coil. It is called coil.
Yeah.
Then it will go to
the detector.
And then to chromatogram. Okay, Fahad, quickly.
Same thing.
Yes.
Mama, please.
Please.
Okay. They'll take the liquid sample, they'll put it in that thing, and it will turn into gas. From the help of another gas, it will go into a coil, and then into a detector. The one which goes faster, the reading of that will come first on the chromatograph.
Good job. Beautifully explained. Yes, Fatima.
We will take liquid sample, and then that would turn into gas. Then, but with the help of gas, it will travel from coil and it will hit the detector. And after the detector, they will show you the result, which gas hit the detector first.
Excellent job. Okay, Amir, quickly.
All right. You take a liquid sample, you inject it, and it turns to a gas. And then it travels to the coil into the detector. And particles that hit first are gonna
give us a result. Excellent job, Hazik. I know you guys want to kill me. Teacher, come on.
I feel like everyone has got the point. Please move on.
Yes, but I really want to listen from Hazik. Hazik.
Class separately one by one, but please now move on.
Listen, you will never forget this. If I just leave the topic and move on, it was boring. Let's move on, teacher. Hasik.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, quickly tell me what happened.
So you inject the liquid, it turns into gas, and then it travels through the coil into the detector. And from detector, we see the results on the.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bearing with me, Asim. I will ask you in the next class. Okay. Okay, so this is called this is called as chromatography. This part is done. Okay, but remember, it is important. If any one of you join law field, you have to learn this in detail. Okay. Then distillation, our next process, and the last one is distillation. Okay, distillation. What happened in this separation? Most of the time we separate when we have a mixture of two liquids. Mixture of two liquids. Remember this thing. Okay, we have two types of distillation. The first one is simple distillation. Okay, and the second one is industrial distillation. Industrial distillation happen in the countries in this world. Okay, industrial distillation. Is it clear? In simple distillation, what happened? I will not make you bore. I will just make you watch a video and things gonna become clear to you automatically. So over here, this person, okay, he took a mixture, okay, of alcohol and water. Okay, please tell me, Fahad, that alcohol and water, will they make a homogeneous mixture or a heterogeneous mixture?
I don't drink alcohol, so I don't know.
Oh, come on, I'm just asking alcohol and water, if you mix it, homogeneous or heterogeneous, Fatma? Fatima?
It will be heterogeneous, no?
Yeah.
Yes, please, Lamin.
No, it won't.
Look, Lamin.
It's homo, right?
Excellent. Homo. Both of them are liquids. They will mix up. Not Homo sapiens, homogeneous. Okay. Now this person, he took that mixture. Okay. And let's see what he's going to do. And his main idea is to separate. First of all, he created a mixture of alcohol and water, and now he wants to separate alcohol and water. Okay, so what he gonna do, he will take a mixture of alcohol and water, he will put here in this flask. Can you see, all of you?
Yeah.
This yellow one is a thermometer to see the boiling point. Okay, what is the boiling point of water? What is the boiling point of water? Yes.
100.
100. Do you know the boiling point of alcohol?
I waited for my chance.
Oh.
Teacher, for alcohol is more higher, right?
Alcohol will be lower.
Oh, okay. So yes. Alcohol will evaporate. Right?
Evaporate first.
I'm under
excellent.
100 degrees.
Okay. Okay, now see here.
Yeah.
Okay, yesterday I just noted when I was watching the recording again that some students were saying, teacher, we have a question, but I didn't listen to them. I'm sorry. Okay, because sometimes I'm speaking and I don't realize that you were asking something. Yes, sorry. Okay, now see here. But come on, do it fast. My student's gonna kill me. Okay, so see here. First of all, he's creating the mixture.
And these people have no job, right? They create to separate.
Yes, that's it. That's it. That's it. Just see his position, huh? No one is watching their experiment. This old poor guy.
Only 43,000 times.
Teacher, when this video came out?
In 2012.
Oh my god.
Okay, so
9 years.
Okay, yes, and now see here. So he mixed it. Okay, both of them. He mixed both of them together. And then he just fixed a pipe here so that the vapors could pass and come here. Okay? Can you see he just attached two tubes to it? And now he will turn on. He will turn on. He will turn on. And once the boiling point is going to increase, can you see the bubbles are coming out and this steam? Okay? So we know that alcohol have a lower boiling point, so it will come first. Okay? And you will smell it.
Even that kid is not interested.
Yes, I know. See here, he's gonna smell it. Okay, see, it's alcohol. He's telling this to that person.
That's his son, right?
I don't know. A poor student.
Oh my.
Okay,
so this is how. Haven't got Grammarly yet. Just saying you to get it.
Oh my God, I'm so poor. I don't want to buy it. Okay, so this is called as distillation, simple distillation. Distillation used to separate two liquids. Is it this thing clear? But the main thing is by considering their boiling points, okay? Is this thing clear?
Yes.
Sure, easy? Okay. The next one is industrial distillation, one of the important topics in IGCSE. For sure, there will be a question, a complete note and chapter on it.
And fractional distillation.
What is this? What is this? Yes, fractional or
Oil,
simple.
fuel.
Fuel, oil. What is this?
Oil. Oil.
Okay. It look appealing? Yes or no?
No,
Look tempting.
No.
not at all.
No one is interested,
Like shit,
correct?
man.
Exactly. But the thing is, this is one of the important oils in the world. It is called as crude oil. Crude oil, okay? Countries will have a war on this crude oil, okay? And the countries which have more crude oil are considered to be richest country in the world.
Dubai.
Exactly, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Kuwait, all of them, okay? So crude oil. But the thing is, crude oil is useless if we use it, if we have this in this form. It is useless. We cannot do anything with it. But this crude oil is mixture of petrol, diesel, paraffin, naphtha, kerosene oil, biogas, all of them. It's a mixture.
That's why it's expensive.
So what we guys have to do, we have to separate all of these from this.
By using distillation.
Exactly, by distillation. Why? Because all of them are liquids, so we can separate them, and all of them have separate boiling points. Okay, do you know how it looks like? It looked like that. This is a cartoonist picture. This is the reality, okay? In Thailand, if you want to see it, you have to go near Swanabong to see this area. Okay, so this is called as, how does it work? See here, last thing. And I have still 5 minutes, okay. What happened that you will put your crude oil in this tank? Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, and then once it travel over here, okay, this boiler, okay, this fractions, can you see different fractions, different compartments, and each compartment have a pipe inside it? Can you see? Okay, yes. This is on high temperature. Once the crude oil will come here, the crude oil will change from liquid to gas phase. Okay, the low density substances, they will move up and we will collect them here. Okay, the high density will come down and we will collect them here. Is this thing clear? Mm-hmm. Okay, now see here the things which we're gonna collect. Okay, so this here, crude oil. Okay, one of the important topics I'm saying again. You can bet with me that there will be a question from here in IGCSE. Oh, come on, why my pen is not working? Okay.
Ma'am, how much you willing to bet?
Teacher, you bet already. Question.
I could bet $1 million for that.
Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
$1 million.
Yes, 1 million.
I'll give $500,000 to the IGCSE people and take out the question.
Ah, okay.
Bro.
So this crude oil, okay, this crude oil, okay, we boil it. Can you see we are boiling? And then let's suppose if the temperature, if any substance boils at 350, it will come down. And that is bitumen, from which our roads are made, okay? Then at 300 to 350, we get lubricating oil, which we use in motor vehicles, okay? Then a fuel oil here, which we use in ships. Then a diesel, which we use in our cars and motorcycles. Yeah. Paraffin, with which our aeroplanes are made. Naphtha, here it is used in laboratories. Gasoline, cars. Petroleum gas, 25 Celsius, least temperature, okay? So we will collect it just from crude oil. But if crude oil is in this form, is it useful?
No.
No, if we have to collect these things from here. So the reality is like this, but this is a cartoonist picture. Did you all got the idea?
Yes.
Okay, my main questions in the test will be, which things we can separate from crude oil? You have to learn all the names. Petroleum gas, gasoline, naphtha, paraffin, diesel, fuel oil, lubricating oil, bitumen, okay?
Right then.
Okay.
Ma'am, you should try rapping.
Fractional distillation crude oil.
Sorry, come again, Aman. I didn't got you.
Can you just send like a photo? Or I can take a screening.
You can take it, and it is also available on Google Classroom. Everything. Okay, so now did you realize why crude oil countries are the richest country in the world?
Yes.
Yeah.
And Asia, the continent of Asia is very lucky because we have the most crude oil here.
Big business.
But I'm giving you a question. Why US is a #1 country having crude oil? Why?
They buy?
They steal.
I love
Yeah.
that. I love the answer. I love the answer. Yes, they do that. They do it. Okay.
No other
In
job.
US, yeah, no, it's true. It's true. Lamin, you were saying correct. Aman, you said it correct, Ayan. And okay, in their land, on their lands, there is no crude oil. But the thing is, they are very smart. They will plant their plants in Dubai, in Qatar, in Saudi Arabia to get the oil, in Kuwait. Okay, yes.
People,
so that's why they become #1 in selling crude oil. Can you just imagine they can come to Asian countries, they put their plants and they become rich. Wow.
Then why the Asian people allow that?
Exactly. This is my question. Why they're allowing
So
it?
dumb. Oh my
They'll be
god.
oppressed, dude. For
Yeah.
war and stuff. Nobody wants that. It's just a
Mastermind.
negotiation.
Okay, so do you know that who is the biggest alliance of US in giving crude oil?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump?
Which country is the biggest alliance to US to give crude oil to US?
Dubai.
No.
America.
Kuwait?
No.
Asia.
So the
Thailand?
country,
China.
no.
Qatar.
The country,
China.
oh, I will tell you, the link gonna expire in the next link, okay?
Asia.
Hey, don't